Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at how to solve this problem, which is running script is disabled on the system. For more information, see about execution policy. So what this means is your policy is not allowed to execute code PowerShell script. This is to protect you. So how I'm going to show you how to solve this. Paste this and press enter. This get execution policy list. So you get the policy list, and here are the scope, and here is the policy. So the policy is undefined, which means you haven't defined it and it won't allow code to execute. To solve this, you need to set the execution policy remote signed. So you tell the script, the PowerShell, to set the execution policy remote signed for scope current user. So it will set it for the current user, and it will set it to remote sign. Press enter and then click on select yes, which is Y, and press enter. Now it should work. Let's see if it worked. Okay, so let's copy this again, paste it in our shell, click on enter. Now you see the current user is remote signed. So try running your script again after doing this. If you see these changes, then it worked. So run whatever you were running that gave this error, and it will successfully run. If you want to revert back to set your execution policy to undefined, you just need to change this from remote sign to undefined. Okay, just like this. Start with capital U, and then it will set it to back to undefined. Okay, thanks for watching.